Yeah, definitely. Well, this was like one geography totally separates the style of writing, I find, and why I was so excited and I wanted to go to Nashville after spending so much time in Stockholm and LA writing on that album and for other people is that I wanted to learn how they did it, and their process is storytelling. So you have the pop world over here, which is melody, 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 track. Let's get it like a nursery rhyme. And then you go to Nashville and you have these storytellers who are like, well, we'll get to the melody and what the drums is doing, but first we got to tell the story, and we got to tell it right. And then we got to not only just tell it in a normal way, but we got to flip it somehow so that it means three other things at the same time. So that really changed a lot of how I was writing at the time too. So not only then do I have the education of let's get this melody so hooky that it's undeniable, but now let's really hone in lyrically and telling a story.